What does it all mean? What does it all mean? What's the meaning? What's the meaning of life? What's the meaning? What's the meaning? Bam, bam, bam. Here he comes again. Here he comes again. Here he comes. Yeah, like... falling on my head like a memory. Like a new emotion. New stream. Yep. Keep on learning. Grow like a cancer. Eddy Malivir here, your host, who loves you the most. Stream started. These pink letters need to change against this background. They don't work. Few more days left for multi-streaming. I have to say goodbye to some of you somewhere, some of the platforms that it says here down on the scroller. I'm gonna do the check warm up, make sure everything is fine and dandy over there from over here. Be right back in a few seconds. So have a blast with these action replays from the past. Season 1, studio, content from Studio Lab, doing some practical things over there. My audio manager crashed. Why did I kill this thing? Hey. Music, come back. We need you still. I'll put this away. Go into this section. Yup. Bear with me. This time Godot, day 13, day. Not slacking here. This show is not sponsored, but it's I'm featuring the full screen notepad app as a streamer app for the Streamer Lite, Studio Lite. Real cool, but no, not gonna do it, not gonna go that way this time. Now, this is what needs to happen. We need to watch this. We need to set up everything. It is like I say. Like we see it in the description. Is this a little bit kind of loudish, huh? I don't see anybody complaining. Okay, that's out, that's good. Pop this out. You get over here. You also. Okay. Finally, the final bits, getting to final bits. I don't mind if this plays a bit louder, huh? Like this. Like this. Like this. Still doesn't show live. Show live. Show who's live. Show me. Yeah, there you go. That's where we need to be at. Stop you, stop you, stop you. I stop you. Like this. Don't say entertainment. Say here, say here, say here. No playlists, no this, no that. It's not entertainment. Where is the category? No, it's they say people blogs are. That's the best description. I'll also disconnect from my restream service this multi updating the stream infos because it's useless. You can't match all the categories for all different platforms, so it beats the purpose. It defeats its own purpose in that sense. I tell it one category, I turn out in the other category, I put one description, it shows the old description. So to have everything behave as expected when using a restream service, don't connect the accounts, use the key and the stream ingest, server ingest information, put the names your own manually in the sections, and then it won't change. Then they won't even change, they will stay. You'll have always the same session with same description, so you know when you can change it ahead. I've tested it to make sure that that's the way it works. So that's the way it works. Yeah. How much compression I get? Okay. I'm constantly tuning my audio levels and the filters for the microphone to get the best. What am I missing here? Oh, throw. I didn't pop this out at all. Pull this out. This is chat, yeah, right, chat. Will we get the chat? Yeah, we got the chat. And the last bit here, over here, yeah. I might just mute the preview. I was expecting an invitation to check out one stream, but it's not still going on. And before anything happens in the next few hours, I want to go over this. The next steps with Godot. Yep, and bring this down. Next steps with Godot. It is learning, like I mentioned. So, formal intro means that I need a little bit like illumination in the face. Yeah, formal intro. Malvi ready here. Your host, the love is the most. Even you. Everyone's included. So welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is a live recording and rehearsal session. I do this live, so I have it right away uploaded, and from the cloud I distribute the shorter standalone episodes cut from the long stream. And if you're watching the long stream before that happens, the edit process, you can check at the end of the stream recording for the recapitulation what's covered. I don't know. I do this live. I don't know what's gonna happen. And after it happens, I can refer to it at the end of the stream. Got it? Cool. So you can check there. And on the website, which is this place here, I'll keep the structure and I keep the structure organized in chunks by days. That's a good format to keep it like that. Sometimes there are a few more streams in a day, not more than 2, 3, 4 hours, 6, 7 hours, depends. Sometimes connection breaks and it splits the video in 2, so. But also it works well for the following along and for me to get some general structure for these my public vlogging courses as I learn along. And I always said, if I'm gonna do anything, any new skill, I'll see if I can share it, the learning process for encouragement, give an example. Well, what takes for one curious skeptic to start learning who can't get to the official training, let's say industry, at the industry standard. For these courses I take open source software, Godot Game Engine and the Blender, for example, or some other tools that are maybe free in the operating system available, like on the Ubuntu or included with Windows. And that's what's going on here. So those standalone episode recapitulations will have a link in the description pointing to the website as a reference to that section, and there I'll in one of the posts, depending on the day, I'll actually keep updating, elaborating, extracting useful information. That's how that part goes. Anything else, I used to say, knowledge that keeps on giving. Yeah, let's not Let's not overlook that fact. That's not crypto, that's not AI, it's your knowledge. Not anybody else's knowledge. It's your. That's what will. That's the capital. I'm just dropping here in the chat, dropping here messages to pin them, just to make triple sure that we are on the same page about what's going on here. Yeah, manually unpin like this. Yeah, pin. Yeah, YouTube also. Yep. So for us in the, let's say, Western Hemisphere, we are lagging behind the guys in the East. They're already in Monday, so catching up West, enough with the Sunday, hey. Americas, South, North, enough with the Sundays. Okay, I understand people in the South sleeping, or maybe it's too cold, I don't know. I'm not a I'm not a weatherologist. What am I? Huh? Who am I? So yeah, well, just before getting going, this is still warming up. Well, I'll take my time. Take my time, see if I can get all these things to work. Well, like I say, stay safe, see you soon. Thanks for stopping by. And loud outro banging right away.